Welcome back to our channel. Today the motorcycle community has been buzzing with excitement about the upcoming Hero Passion Pro 2025, a game-changing two-wheeler that promises to redefine style, performance, and efficiency. If you're a fan of motorcycles or looking for a channel that delivers in-depth insights about the Hero Passion Pro 2025, here are some top-notch YouTube channels you should check out. Why watch? PowerDrift is renowned for its high-quality production, engaging storytelling, and technical deep dives. Expect a detailed review of the Hero Passion Pro 2025 covering everything from its design updates to performance stats. Their visuals and in-depth comparisons will give you a comprehensive understanding of the bike. Why watch? Dino's Vault is a go-to channel for honest, straightforward motorcycle reviews. Known for explaining features in layman's terms, Dino offers practical insights into how the Passion Pro 2025 performs in real-world conditions, including its fuel efficiency and city commuting capabilities. Why watch? As a leading name in the automotive industry, Autocar India covers bikes, cars, and everything in between. Their review of the Hero Passion Pro 2025 is likely to feature expert commentary on its engine updates, safety features, and technological advancements. Why watch? Bike Whale is known for its feature-rich bike reviews, comparisons, and buying advice. Their breakdown of the Hero Passion Pro 2025 will highlight its price, competition, and value for money, helping you decide if it's the right bike for you. Why watch? Motorbeam provides a perfect balance of fun and information. Their review of the Hero Passion Pro 2025 will likely include performance tests, top speed runs, and a focus on how it stacks up against competitors. What makes the Hero Passion Pro 2025 special? The Hero Passion Pro 2025 is set to make waves in the commuter bike segment with its updated engine, more power with improved fuel efficiency, modern design, sleek body lines and stylish graphics, advanced features, digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and enhanced safety with integrated braking systems. Eco-friendliness, compliance with the latest emission standards, making it an environmentally friendly choice.